Hey guys, it's Hamzeh with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to discuss with you this ultimate Degen bot that I use for Solana, Binance, Plasma, Chronos, and Base. Whatever network you're interested in using, this bot has. And what's beautiful about this bot is you can bridge back and forth within the bot itself. So if you want to go from Solana to Binance, Binance to Plasma, you can all do it within this bot. Right? Because right now, Binance coins are mooning and volume is right now the place you want to be at for meme coins and real world assets and AI tokens. I mean, everything's mooning right now in the Binance chain. Okay, so with that, let's get on to my computer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is how the bot looks. It's base bot. Now, it would really help if you use my referral link below so I can get something out of it and you can get some discounts on your trading fee. What I really love about this too, it has cashback. So when you do a lot of transactions, if you go on cashback, you can have different tiers. Now, I have top tier because I've been trading on the spot for like the past month and I've been doing a lot of volume. I'm a legend already, but you could have 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25% of the tiers, all right? So as you can see right here, I'm a legend somehow. I've already tapped out 6 digits on this, and you can claim right here. So I have $196. I've claimed over like $10,000 of cash back on this bot already. That's one of the features that I really love. Another feature that I do love is the bridging. You can bridge back and forth from Solana to Binance. Now, every other network uses this EVM network. This would be your address for Arbitrum, Abstract, Binance, Ethereum, okay? All you have to do is just click on it and it'll copy to clipboard, all right? The only one that has a different address is your Solana. So when you create this bot, right, and you're gonna use my referral code, all right, you are gonna click one of those to convert back and forth. So for example, if I want to send some Solana to this bot and bridge it, which is the easiest way, or you can debridge, whatever you want to do, but I like to do it this way. So let me show you real quick. So if you click right here on Solana, it'll copy to your clipboard, all right? And I want to transfer to my bot. So I want to transfer my Solana right here, and I'm going to send to this address that I just copied from my bot right here. So you're going to click copy right here, and you're going to paste it right here, and I'm going to do 0.5 Solana, all right? I'm going to click next. That's $95, and it's going to send to my bot. Now, if we go back to my bot and refresh it, right? All you have to do is go down and refresh. It's going to show right here. Literally, it hit instantly. Now, I have 1 Solana in my trading wallet, right? And I want to bridge that to Binance, okay? All you have to do is click bridge, all right? And it's going to tell you which wallet you want to bridge. You're going to click wallet 1. W1 is your wallet 1, and it's going to create it for you. You can rename it under settings. I want to show you just settings right here. You can rename your wallet. If you go to wallet right here, preferred wallet, okay? You see that? It's W1. You can rename it, but this is your preferred wallet. All right, I'm going to go back to bridging. All right, so we're gonna bridge right here, and you're gonna click W1. That's the only wallet you have. So we're gonna bridge from Solana. It tells you the source right here. It tells you the source. So the source is where is the money coming from. So you're gonna click Solana, and where do you want it to be is the next one. So the source is Solana. Next, you're gonna bridge to Binance, or you can bridge to Ethereum. Whatever you want. Now, it's going to tell you how much, and it's going to tell you the amount right here, the max amount, because that's how much you have. So we're going to bridge 1 Solana right here, okay? We're going to click next, and you're going to confirm it. So right here, I want you to read what you're bridging, all right? So the source is Solana, to Binance chain, 1 Solana, output is 1.61, all right? And this is the wallet it's going to be. So you're going to confirm, and look how fast this is gonna happen, all right? Part of that percentage that you just saw, some of it is cash back, okay? So if you like dbridge because it's cheaper, by all means, use dbridge, all right? So right here, we're gonna go back. If you're lost within the bot, you click start and then show you, all right? And it bridge automatically. Now, I have some Binance already, right? So it's gonna show my balance. It was I think 2,700, and now it just bridged over. All right. So now that you bridge, you want to buy some tokens. It's so easy to buy tokens, and it's really like very fast. All right. So this token, I'm really interested in. All right. All you have to do is copy it right here from Deck Screener. Right. So if you go to my Telegram, I sent this today. All you have to do is just go to the Deck Screener, right? DS, and open it. Okay, and all you have to do is just copy the contract address and go to the base spot, right? Paste it, and it'll show you the token. Okay, it'll show you the market cap, the factory, which is where it came from, right? If it's bonk or if it's pump fund. For Binance, it's for meme. Okay, it'll show you the deck screen and the liquidation, everything that you need, right? And right here is where you want to do the buying. All right, so let's just say I want to buy one BNB. All you have to do is just click this. This is 0.5 BNB, and this is X BNB is where we can enter how many BNB if we want to go 2, 1, whatever you want to go with. And this is to sell. All right, so if you want to sell 50% of your bag, you click 50%. You want to click sell 100% of your bag, you click this. And if you want to sell custom amount, let's just say you want to sell 25%, all you have to do is just do 25%. Anyways, you can mess around with your slippage. I haven't messed around with this. I've been pretty content with the settings that it comes with. But if you, I'm gonna buy 0.5 BNB just to show you how fast and just to show you how much my bag is. All right, so I'm gonna buy 0.5 BNB of this, and it bought already. You see that? It says transaction complete, 0.5 BNB. Onto wallet 1. All right, so if you want to see your purchases, all you have to go is start, right? And all you have to go to is click your bag. When you click your bag right here, it shows you what tokens you have. Now, I bought earlier at a higher price. I am down 21%. I'm not worried about this. I think it'll go much higher. All you have to do is just click right here, and it shows you your wins and losses, right? So I'm down 20%. I'm down $700. I did buy like what 2 or 3 BNBs of this. I'm gonna average down because I really like this token for the future. All right, and then show you how much it is in dollar amount right here. And if you want to sell the token, all you have to do is just sell 100% right here. I'm not selling this token. All right, we're gonna go to start, and it'll show you right here how much you have in each network. Somehow I have in base $3. I've never used base. In BNB I have $2,200. AVAX I have nothing. On Plasma I have 27 cents, and Solana I have $70. And that's it, guys. That is how you use BaseBot. Really, the bridging and the going back and forth from network to network. And if you want to use Binance Chain, I really recommend this. And it's a win-win situation if you want to have some cash back. All right, guys, this is Hamzeh with this tutorial. If you really like this video, hit the like button and follow my Telegram for more updates. Assalamu alaikum.